Hey guys, it's Giridhar here for G-Phone Tech. Welcome to this video, and today I'm going to talk to you about a vacuum cleaner. This is no ordinary vacuum cleaner. This is the Dyson V11 Absolute Pro. In my opinion, this is one of the best vacuum cleaners available in India right now. But it's got some cons as well. First look at the Dyson V11 Advanced Pro vacuum cleaner. It may not seem like a vacuum cleaner actually. It looks like one of those guns from Men in Black, which is used to shoot the aliens. But yeah, just like those guns, this is a very powerful vacuum cleaner. The main engine, let me call this the main engine, is where all the magic happens. For a powerful machine like this, I would say that this Dyson V11 is very small and compact. The base has got a battery which when charged helps you use the Dyson V11 completely wire free. But yeah, to get the Dyson V11 Advanced Pro completely charged, it has to be plugged in for at least 4.5 hours. And once it is fully charged, you can go in for a cleaning session for about 75 minutes. On the front is where you attach all your accessories, and once you've collected all the dust bin opens up when you pull this red lever forward. At the center is a very powerful cyclone motor which sucks in all the dirt and filters them to exhaust the air from the back. At the back you have a small HEPA filter which purifies the air and makes it safe for you to breathe. The back also has a tiny display. This display and the button below it helps you cycle between the 3 different modes: the eco mode, the medium mode and the boost mode. The display also gives you any notifications in case of any kind of an error. Now let's talk about the accessories. If you have to clean the floor, you get 2 kinds of fittings. The one with a hard roller is for soft floor like carpet, and the one with a soft roller is for your regular hard tiled floor. There is also a mini version of it which can be used to navigate into small spaces and clean sofa or your car interiors, etc. For cleaning curtains or bedsheet, you get this quick release mattress tool, and this combination tool is used to clean window grills or any surface, or even just to get rid of the cobwebs. There is also a soft dusting brush which is used to clean the delicates like your showpiece, flower vase, computer keyboards, display monitors or anything like that. There is a sharp nozzle which can help you get inside areas where any of these tools cannot get in. And if you want to clean at a very safe or comfortable distance, you can use these extensions like a flexible pipe extension, which I find to be very useful, and also this angled pipe which can help you get into heights and reach areas which is normally not reachable. Of course, there is also this long tube with a nice little Dyson branding. Plus, you also get this clip to fit in all the attachments during your cleaning sessions. Once you're done cleaning, you can use the docking station to dock the Dyson V11 Pro to the wall. Well, the Dyson V11 Advanced Pro is priced at Rs 53k in India, and definitely I would say this is an expensive product. But to me, this is a game changer, or I would call a lifesaver. I'm sure all of us have a vacuum cleaner at home. But how often do we use it? We don't use it often, not because we don't want to use it, it's because it's difficult to use it. But the Dyson V11 is very convenient. It is not just convenient, it is also very usable and user-friendly. The cleaning is efficient and the cleaning process is user-friendly. After having used many different kinds of vacuum cleaners in India, I can confidently say that there isn't any other vacuum cleaner like the Dyson V11 Pro right now in India. If we talk about the pros, I would say that the Dyson V11 Advanced Pro is a very powerful machine. It is very handy and it is also less noisy while using it. A couple of negatives which I could think of is the long time it takes to get charged. Like it takes around 4.5 hours to get fully charged, and of course the hefty price tag. But for this price, you get a high-tech machine which looks good and keeps your house looking good. Plus, Dyson India offers about 2 years of warranty for this product, and personally I have found the customer service experience to be very good. If you're looking for a vacuum cleaner to keep your house clean, I would highly recommend the Dyson V11 Advanced Pro. Link to buy or in the description below. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to watch more of my videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel G-Phone Tech. Until I catch up with you on the next video, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.